Let's take a look at the lesson. Purchases. Do you have enough money? It says, an apple costs 38 cents. Do you have enough money to buy it if you have the coins below? Well, let's see. I know that a quarter is worth 25 cents. And I know that a nickel is worth 5 cents. So let's see what 25 plus 5 is. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's count on. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. If you have 30 cents, do you have enough? An apple costs 38 cents. No, we do not have enough. We need 8 more cents. Here it says, an ink pad costs 72 cents. Do you have enough money to buy it if you have the coins below? Well, let's see. I like to start with our biggest coins first, and I see that we have 2 quarters. So I will cross them off as I count them. 25, 50. So I know there's 50 cents. Now I go to the next one. That is dimes. I see 1 dime here. If I count up by 10, that'll be 60. So now I have 60. And then I count up 5 more because I have a nickel, 65. And then I count up 1, 2, 3, 4 more because I have 4 pennies. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more. So 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. If I have 69 cents, do I have enough to buy the ink pad that costs 72 cents? No, not enough. All right. Next it says, a few pieces of candy cost 84 cents. Do you have enough money to buy it if you have the coins below? Let's see. I know that I start with my quarters first. I see that I have 3 quarters. So let's count by 25s 3 times. 25, 50, 75. All right, so we've counted these 3 and we're at 75 cents. And then we just count up 2 more because these are pennies. So 75, 76, 77. All right, so we have 77 cents. Is that enough to buy candy that costs 84 cents? No, because 77 is less than 84. An ink pad costs 66 cents. Do you have enough money to buy it if you have the coins below? Which coin should we start with? Yeah, quarters. So let's count. I'll write the numbers inside the coins this time. 25, 50. Then next we go to our dimes. I see we have 1 dime. So what is 10 more than 50? 60. Great. Now I will go to my nickel, and I know that 60 plus 5 is 65. Then we count up by 1s for our pennies. So 65, 66, 67, 68. So we ended on 68. So do we have enough money to buy the ink pad if the ink pad costs 66 cents and we have 68? Yes, we have a little more than 66 cents. So yes, we have enough. Now we have a friend wants to sell his baseball cards for 14 cents. Do you have enough money to buy it if you have the coins below? Well, let's start with our dimes. I see that we have 2 dimes, so we will count by 10s for these. 10, 20, great. Now we can count by 1s 4 times. So 21, 22, 23, 24. Wonderful. So if he wants to sell them for 14 cents, would we have enough to buy them if we have 24 cents? Absolutely, that is more than 14. A chocolate bar costs 43 cents. Do we have enough money to buy it if we have the coins below? So let's look. I know I start with quarters first, 25. Then I count on by 10s for my dimes. So 25, 35, 45, and now I'm left with pennies. So let's count by 1s. 46, 47, 48, 49. So a chocolate bar costs 43 cents. Do we have enough with 49 cents? Yes, absolutely. Notice I write inside the coins as I'm going so that I don't lose track of the ones I've already counted, and then I circle the one at the end so I know which one we ended with, so that is the amount of money we have. A pencil costs 53 cents. Do you have enough money to buy it if you have the coins below? Let's see, let's start with our quarter. 25, and then 10 more is 35. And if we count by fives, 5 more than 35 is 40. Then we have 41, 42, 43, 44, and we circle it. All right, so if we have 44 cents, do we have enough to buy the pencil that costs 53 cents? Nope, we don't have enough. The next one says, a friend wants to sell his used video game cartridge for 30 cents. Do you have enough money to buy it if you have the coins below? Well, let's see. We have a quarter, which is 25 cents. And then we have a dime, which is 10 more cents. So 25 plus 10 is 35, because our tens place just goes up by one number. So if we have 35 cents, do we have enough to buy the video game cartridge for 30 cents? Yes, we have more than 30 cents. A friend wants to sell his baseball cards for 23 cents. Do you have enough money to buy it if you have the coins below? Here we have 25 cents because it is a quarter. Then we can count up by one. 26, 27, 28, 29, and we circle where we end. 29, if you have 29 cents, do you have enough to buy the baseball card for 23 cents? Absolutely. A few pieces of candy cost 11 cents. Do you have enough money to buy it if you have the coins below? Well, let's take a look. I see that we have a dime, which is worth 10, and a nickel that's worth 5, so 10, and then we could count up by 5, or if we're not sure, we can draw 5 dots, and we can count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then we can count by ones, 16, 17, 18, 19, and we ended on 19. If the candy cost 11 cents, do we have enough with 19 cents? Absolutely. Great work, friends!